guys, it's Strykar, and in today's video, of course, I'm going to show you the look that is on my face right now. And I know it kind of might be hard to see just because I'm out of my natural habitat. This totally isn't where I usually am, and I don't have any lights with me. I'm on vacation right now, and I'm just sitting out here on the porch. It was so beautiful sitting out here recording this tutorial for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's just get into it. Today I'm starting with my eyebrows first, and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ash Brown. Next, I'm taking my Luxe Light Glow Drops, and this has just been my favorite shade of highlight recently, and I'm going to use a little bit on my brow bone right underneath my eyebrow. And I feel like this completes every look whenever your brow bone is highlighted. Using my Rimmel London Insta Duo contour stick, I'm going to go ahead and start to conceal, and I do this before foundation most of the time because it helps it not to crease and it really gives you that flawless finish. Now I'm going to add some of those same gloss drops I used earlier on my brow bone on my face. For my foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation, and this has been a favorite for a very long time if you've been watching previous videos on my channel. And I feel like whenever I mix in my glow drops with this foundation, it really gives me that glowy finished look that I always try to achieve. Next, I'm flipping over that conceal and contour stick, and I'm going to go ahead and contour. And one of the pros of this product is it is really light, so whenever I use this shade to contour with, I really like to overlap it with some bronzer. And since we're going with a very bronzy look, I did use quite a bit of this contour to give me a nice base. As for my bronzer, I'm going to use my Tarte Bamboo bronzer, and this is supposedly like a clay bronzer, so it is sort of waterproof. I just always feel so secure whenever this is on my face, basically knowing that my foundation and contour isn't going anywhere. I'm using my e.l.f. setting powder because this is such a lightweight product, and I really don't feel like my face is too caked up or anything whenever it's on it, and I'm just going to go over and set every spot that I sometimes sweat or crease in.
Biggest creep I've ever seen. Not bad, huh? Not bad. Another one?
To highlight my face, I am using a Morphe highlighter in the shade Spark, which stands as like my top favorite highlighter right now. I definitely need a new one to try, so if you have any suggestions, definitely leave them in the comments below. On my eyes, I'm going in between the shade Wild One and El Rey, and I'm basically coating Wild One all over my lid as of right now. And when I'm using this palette, I feel confident enough to do my full face first just because it has absolutely no fallout whatsoever. And I cannot get enough of this palette. It just has like beautiful shades. If you haven't seen my review on it, you can click the video link I have above. And I also reviewed its like sister palette, if you want to call it, which is the Soul palette. And of course, completing the eye look with some false lashes and my Benefit They're Real mascara. So I hope you guys liked the video. It's starting to get really dim out here just because I feel like the sun's not going to come out yet today. It's still really early in the morning. So I'm sorry about the lighting, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss my future videos. And I'll catch you guys next time.